Hey guys, wanted to show you the little blizzard we're having over here. Look at that. Woo! Yes. I hail from Michigan, Paul hails from Massachusetts, and sometimes we miss the snow. Remember my bird tree? They're enjoying it. I had to bring my hummingbird feeders in because they were frozen. So I'll let them thaw and I'll bring them out for a while and then I'll bring them in for the night. Lucky. He's just looking, waiting for the next bird to come. Cody, come. Into that Cody. He loves the snow. I'm watching my cousin Vinny. Look at that. I mean, for here, it's a blizzard, because we never get much. We've already had to shovel and lay out some salt. I got all my Christmas stuff in just before it started getting all blizzardy. I got my bird feeders up close now. And I left, oh, no visitor. Yeah, I left my Christmas lights up there, and I'm going to keep them up because the birds seem to like to land on them. So I'd like to give them a place to go. So I just wanted to share with you the awesomeness of snow. Build a snowman, go sledding, go skiing, snowmobiling, cross country. It is so awesome. Peace out. Be kind to one another.